Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. Dear students, look here, our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson number 6 and 7 we are going to discuss today, and this is our lecture number 3, and of course this is our HW number. This is our HW number 2. Okay, dear students, HW number 2, this one is. So now I am going to discuss about our today's topic. Look here, dear students, about from lesson 6. Here we have found that glories of ancient Bangladesh: society, economics, and religion. Look here, agriculture. In the primitive age, agriculture was the main economic power of Bangladesh. Bangladesh was surplus in agriculture. Okay, then look, in that period, paddy was the main crop. Besides, sugarcane was also produced in plenty. Molasses and sugar made of sugarcane had reputation. Molasses and sugar were exported to other countries. Bangladesh had fame for the cultivation of cotton, mustard seed, and betel leaf. Look here. So here we have found that sugarcane was produced in plenty. Molasses and sugar made of sugarcane had what? Had reputation. Look here. Bangladesh had fame for the cultivation of cotton, mustard seed, and betel leaf. Several types of fruits like coconut, betel nut, mango, jackfruit, banana, fig, etc. were also remarkable. Then look here, cottage industry. Here look, since the ancient age, the weavers of Bangladesh could weave fine cotton and silk cloth. We know that muslin of Bangladesh was world famous. Okay, this muslin was exported to other countries even then. Besides this, earthen pots, metallic pots, and ornaments are made. Sculpture. Look here, sculpture and statue made from burnt clay were praiseworthy arts. Marked silver coin, beads made from less costly stone, and glass were also made. Then look, trade and commerce. Agricultural development and increase in industrial production paved the way for trade and commerce. Small market and shops were built up near the bank of the river. Most of the trade and commerce were done by river. Baribateshwar and Pundanagar, which is known as Mahastangar, were prosperous river ports. Okay. Besides various ports of India, the products of the then Bangladesh are exported to Southeast Asia and Mediterranean region. In the 8th century, goods are exported to the Arab countries through Chattogram seaport. Religion and community. It is anticipated that in the Stone Age, the people of Bangladesh, like the people of other regions, worshipped high mountains, rivers, the moon, the sun, and so on. In the historic period, Brahmin religion, Shaiva, Vaishnava, Shakto, then Saurya, okay, and Ajibak. Okay, dear students, and Ajibak community are dominating in Bangladesh like the other regions of the Indian subcontinent. Jain religion was also in existence in Bangladesh. Look, however, under the patronization of the Buddhist rulers for a long time, Buddhism became the dominating religion. The Pala emperors are Buddhist, but most of the subjects were of Brahmin religion. So look here, dear students, the Pala emperors are Buddhist, but most of the subjects were at that time were Brahmin religion. Emperor Dharmapala took the policy of religion community. The prime minister of Emperor Dharmapala was a Brahmin, and three generations of their family are involved with Pala rule. In several copper plates, donation of land to build Brahmin temple can be found. So here we have found that in several copper plates, donation of land to build Brahmin temple can be found. There was no discrimination between the Brahmins and the Buddhists. Religious harmony was one of the remarkable features of social life in the Pala era. So dear students, here we have found what? Here we have found that Brahmin religion and Ajiba community are dominating in Bangladesh like the other religions of the Indian subcontinent, and Jain religion was also in existence in Bangladesh, and religious harmony was one of the remarkable feature of social life in the Pala era. Then look, lesson 7, glories of ancient Bangladesh, entertainment, culture, architecture, sculpture and fine arts. Dear students, here you will get some things, so you can understand something from this para, like entertainment culture as a part of recreation, and religious rituals, dance, music, drama, wrestling, boxing and hunting are in vogue. Evidence of staging drama has been found at Paharpur Buddhist Vihara. All the Shivadashi in the temple had to be good at dancing, singing and playing musical instruments. So like this way you will get another para in this lesson, like architecture, sculpture and statue industry and art of painting. So dear students, you have to learn about this lesson properly at your home, and you have to make 5 MCQ from this lesson, okay, in your next SW class. Look here, it will be your SW, make 5 MCQ, okay, you have to submit this on next Saturday. So that's all about our today's topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.